I want to be able to build a really good sandcastle. And you say, okay, so what you're going to need is, you're going to need to get some sand, get down on the beach, get up, and they go, hang on a second. I don't really want to have to use sand. And if we can avoid buckets, that would be good. Hey there, how's it going? This is James Tripp for James Tripp Chaos Wave. I'm at Heathrow Airport, London, at the Park Inn Hotel. It's the NLP conference. Just thought I'd make a quick video here. I'm at the NLP conference because NLP, as many people know, that's kind of my background. I was into NLP before I was into hypnosis. That was the route through for me. But just recently I've been connecting back into NLP. One of the things I love about NLP, it offers a huge range, huge scope for exploration when it comes to self-development, increasing your impact in the world, all of these kind of things. So it's fascinating for me to come back to NLP, having been on quite a journey for myself. Now, I want to just share with you the thing that it was a real game changer for me. I've often said that NLP utterly transformed the course of my life, and it really did. And there's one idea in particular, and it's the idea of modeling. The idea that anything that anybody could do is built out of patterns of engagement, and if you can model those patterns of engagement, if you can essentially copy those patterns of engagement, you too can build a lot of that capability into yourself, maybe all of that capability into yourself. Now, this is such a powerful idea, and I often forget how many people are not in touch with this idea. So I was having a conversation this morning with somebody, and they were telling me about someone who is in a situation in their life where they need to create financial independence from their ex-partner, and they have a short amount of time to do it in. But what they're doing much of the time is they're doing what I call the Sandcastle Problem. The Sandcastle Problem comes about when people decide there's something they want to do, something they want to achieve, and it's a bit like they say, I want to be able to build a really good sandcastle. And you say, okay, so what you're going to need is, you're going to need to get some sand, get down on the beach, get up, and they go, hang on a second. I don't really want to have to use sand. And you say, okay, but, and if we can avoid buckets, that would be good. Now, this is an example of somebody who is not using a modeling mindset. If you want to be able to build an amazing sandcastle, what do? You find people that know how to build amazing sandcastles, and you pay attention to what they do, and you start emulating that. You start bringing that into your own strategy, into your own engagement, and then once you sort of get a good grounding in it, you can start modifying it. That's a fantastic thing. But this first point, this idea that there are tried and tested ways of doing things, modes of engagement, patterns, these kinds of things, it's a powerful idea. And for me, this is the first idea in NLP that was truly transformative. It really flipped my whole life on its head. And it gave me the foundation to start repatterning myself, repatterning my engagements with the world to get the results that I wanted to get. So, you know, I'm kind of reconnecting with that being back at the NLP conference. The funny thing is, there's not actually that many sessions on modeling, but there you go. Consider that idea. If you like this video, if you like this idea, if you recognize the value in this, please do like the video. If you've got any questions around this, engage in the comment section below. That's how we continue the conversation. And of course, if you're looking for more deep perspectives, rich perspectives on using your mind to shape your life, do subscribe and hit the notifications bell for James Tripp Chaos Wave, and then this conversation can continue.